of the 150. Alright, I want to thank you guys for showing up. We got a pre-release kit of foundations. If you guys have been following the channel at all, I opened up a foundations a few weeks ago. I opened up Modern Horizons 3. Got a Emmercool. Couple of nice hits. Got the Vedalken. Check out that video up here. I'm going to do a foundations again. We did pull, we did do some breaks of Innistrad Remastered as well. Want to check that one out. I appreciate it. And I thank you guys for showing up. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Turn on post notifications. It's a different colored dye than the last one that we got. But we'll save it. Save it over here. Same as always, same as always. Solemn, simulacrum, simulacrum. Let's get this going. Foundations. Opens up like pie. Crackling Cyclops. Ooh, Priest. Bushwhack. Amasaur. Claws out. Balmore Battermage Captain. Ravenous Amulet. And our rare Galta. Primal Hunger. Used to be a big hit. Not so much, not sure anymore, but possibly. Ooh, we got a Sylvan Scavenging. Alternate art and Kaito, the Cunning Infiltrator. Foil. Planeswalker. What a pack, everybody. What a pack. What a pack. Like it, love it, want some more of it, right? Wow. I don't think we could beat that. We're drafting. We're probably going to be taking green and blue, I would think, currently. Let me know in the comments. Courageous Goblin. There's the Priest again. We might actually be going black on this one for the pre-release pack. Think twice. Burst Lightning, Evolving Wilds. Thank you, Joey Moss, Boss, Bad Boy Gaming. Woo! That's what we're looking for.
Here we go!
Check them out in the description. I'll leave it in below. He's got some good stuff. Black, definitely black in this. He's got some good stuff on his channel.
Here comes the money.
Reclamation Sage, Banner of Kinship. Pilfer, Foil, Swamp, Full Art, Food. Those are some bangers there, boy. Those are some bangers. Banger, chicken bangers. Banger, chicken banger. That's the phrase that they use down in Vegas, right? Something like that. Pack number 3. Thank you for showing up. Got a Giant Growth. These are the commons. Dazzling Angel. Crypt Feaster. Treetop. Bulk Up. Uncommon. Heroic Reinforcements. Uncommon. A Johnny's Pride Mate. White. Not a bad card for gaining life. We might have to go black-white on this. And the First Fang.
Here comes the
Couple
money.
cats.
Here we go.
Doubling season. Oh yeah! Let's see that price up there. What a hit, what a hit. Wow. Bacon to a pie. Boom, oh yeah. That's another one of those bad boy gaming exclusives. He loves them art cards. Sleeve her up, ding dong. Got to sleeve this up. Throw it in a top loader. Have to do it. I don't want that thing to get ruined. It's probably what, $60?
Ooh.
And I'm not sure currently, but it's got to be up there. Excuse me, I got to sneeze. I don't know. I think green black looks like it might be a pretty good, or green blue black might be a good color coordination for this pre-release pack. Crypt Feaster, Lana Wars, the old classic, the old faithful there. Uncommon, Snakeskin Veil reprint, Arcane Epiphany, and a rare Phyrexian Arena. Wow. That thing used to be up there. Upwards of like 10, 15 bucks, I believe. Vengeful Blood Witch. There's a nice foil basic. I'll give her the horns. What a beaut, what a beaut. What a beaut. Call them Buitts or Buttes? Buicks? Can't say beauty, so he says a Buick. Tell me what that quote's from. Give you a gold star. Leave a comment. Stomper, Bouncer, Flight and Chaos, Burglar Rats. Discard a card, baby. See, there you go. There's another one. Black. This is definitely a black deck for sure. Life Gain. Black, white, green. Rogue's Passage. Siobhan Dragon. The old school. We had the Lana War Elf, Siobhan Dragon. What is this? Alpha? Sky Knight Squire. Another cat. Icewind Elemental. Dismal Backwater. Looks good, looks good. Section all these out. Get actually a pretty good deck. Downshifted from a rare. Last pack. Thanks again for showing up. Subscribe. Uncharted Voyage. Vanishing Light. Bacon to a Pie. Broken Wings. I'm a Sour Guide. Meteor Golem. It's not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Twin Blade Blessing. A rare. Blue rare. I'd say Trickster. There you go. Eagle's Truffle Snout. The Plains and the Vivian Reed. Not to be mistaken with Riley Reed. Let's put these together and see where we're at. Uncommons, commons, couple of lands, art cards. Gotta have a nice pile here. We gotta have a nice pile, baby. Foil. This thing here, this is what is it? Josh Lee Kwai from the Command Zone, the High Fate Trickster. That's his go-to now that they don't play his other draw spell. I forgot what it was called. There's another draw spell that he used to play all the time, but now he's kind of replaced it with that one. Oh, mixed up a couple of uncommons. Was getting a little excited after this. Yeah, it was definitely after this sweet pack and after another sweet pack there. I got kind of flustered. Token, land, common foil, rare. There's our elf. I always got to throw those elves aside. Rare, rare, rare. Let me know what you guys think of the packs. Think of the polls. Think of the commentary. What needs work? What doesn't? How am I doing? Let me know in the comments. Deuces. Thanks for showing up, guys. And as always, check out my Patreon for some giveaways, early access to videos, and showcasing your name at the end of all my full-length content. Thanks again. Peace.